Morning, just woke up. So I'm gonna have a coffee first. Oh, I'm still sleepy. I did not sleep well.
Masarap nga yung cold eh.
No.
Ano ba yun?
Yeah. Oh, alright. Let me warm up a little bit. We didn't do our challenge. We do it now, ma'am. Okay. How do you say in Tagalog, can you please tell me where the station is?
Pakisabi nga kung nasaan ang station.
Oh. You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, your turn.
Eh.
You say in Tagalog as in no, you say in no. Huh.
Ay, mali ata yun.
Yeah, I think it's wrong. Okay, let's start again. Can you please pass me the water?
Pakiabot nga yung tubig sa akin. Please.
Thank you. Look at the weather. The weather is a bit cold today.
Masarap yan.
No,
It's nice.
for you,
Yeah, of
it's
course,
nice.
Fresh.
Oh, I need to take my nail polish.
Ay, hindi pwede sa
No, because I work in the kitchen. You don't want the nail polish with your food, right?
Wagan natin si ano.
Yeah. This is my moment.
3 years ago, tignan mo yung taba pa niya ang ganun. Alam mo, oh. Cute niya.
That's
Oo.
balong.
Ang babuhok.
Yeah.
Mukha siya ni Ate Mel.
Yeah, he is. Oh, where's Coco?
Hello, good morning.
Where's Coco?
Asan si Coco?
Coco!
Oh, tignan mo, maputi na ngayon yung